Once the plaster primer is dried, it's time for the painting of the walls, both inside and outside. And now that almost all is complete, the paving bricks start going back into place. It's also time for the electrical wiring to start being finished off, with all the necessary control panels and the wall plug finishes, both in single phase and 3-phase. As well as the compressed air on the walls. And a disabled person's friendly bathroom nears completion on the ground floor as well.